Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a different type of video today. I am going to be doing it with my voice, so today we're going to be playing a bunch of Roblox games, and yeah. I can't really do Gotcha Life on here, so that's why you will see a bunch of Gotcha Studio videos. So yeah. If the audio is pretty wonky, I'm sorry about that. I don't really know how to use the headset that I'm using, so yeah. But yeah. So yeah, let's find a game to play. I was just playing that game. So what else should we play? Let's do Breaking Point. I really like that game. It is in over here. So Breaking Point. I can't spell. So yeah. I really like that entry point game, so we can play that after. You know what? Yeah, it's small, so we can play it after. I have 15 minutes of recording time because of the recorder I'm using, so yeah. Sorry if you hear it's just the audio. So yeah. Maybe one time I would do like a screen plus webcam video, but not right now. I really like this game, so yeah. If any of you guys would like to know what my username is for Roblox and maybe add me, here it is right here. It's long, so I'll give you a minute to copy it down if you would like to. So yeah, this is a really fun game. So yeah. I hope you guys really like the videos that I'm doing. It's really fun making them, so I hope you have fun watching them. If you want to join me while I'm playing games, I don't have like a Discord or anything, but I do have a bunch of other platforms, so I may link those in the description if I want, but I'm too lazy, so yeah. So this is the first video I have with my voice, so yeah. And if you see a player in one of my videos, like Gotcha Life videos, called the Galaxy Cat, that's one of my best friends in real life. So if you could tell me if you want to know, see, I could make that for you too, or stuff. By the way, I have made the Dare video one. I don't know because it doesn't have views, so I don't know if you guys know that it's out, but it is. Sorry for not uploading that in a long time. It was just really hard to upload. I'm not used to making Dare videos that long. And because the editing software I'm using, I don't really have anything to do it for. So yeah. Oh god. I think I'm next. Okay, good. I really like this game, but still, I'm really bad at it. So, yeah, I hope you guys like my videos like I already said. Oh god, I'm up. And it died. So yeah. So let's play the entry point game. I really like this game a lot. Oh, is my character still saved? Oh god, her face. No! Character. Her name is Jackpot. She's a hacker. Yeah. Long wavy. Apply new outfit. Oh, we get to do custom? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some custom clothing. I literally just realized how much I breathe. Like, because I hear it just like, ah. I'm not gonna do a webcam like anytime soon, but hopefully not never. Okay, so this is the one that I want to do for the top. So let's do that. Characters, edit it, apply new outfit, shirt, 29039021164. If you guys would like to see me do a video playing VR, I can do that because I have a VR at my house. But that's only if you guys want, of course. So yeah. With the dare video, I'm really happy that you guys did so many. That is really nice. Like, I don't even know how to comment on that. Because I thought, like, my channel wouldn't get any subscribers. No way. Now I see how many subscribers I have. I'm like, wait, what? I have almost 15 subscribers. I have 13 subscribers, okay? I have more. I have more than I thought I would. And that's just incredible that you guys could do that for me. So, yeah. Why is finding pants on Roblox so hard? Now I'm talking awkwardly. Wait, what? Okay. But, yeah. Which one should we do? I kind of like these pants, but that comes at the top. These ones. So it's been around 8 minutes. So if I could like randomly cut off, that's because I have gone past my recording time, and that's fine. But I'd just rather not. 7, 2, 2, 7. Anyway, yeah. What happened? No. Why is the body like that? Ew. No. No. Why is the body like that though, dude? Apply new out. Apply. Wait, no! Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it now, so. Custom outfit too. Okay. So we need a cute outfit, because if there's no cute outfit, then why is there an outfit? So yeah. I like that. That's cute, but which one do I like? Oh, I like that one. I like this one too. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So I have 5 more minutes of recording time. So yeah. So 2, 8. 4, 7-4. If you guys are wondering a game that I would recommend to you, I would recommend the game. Oh, we need a shirt code. Really? This is such a cute outfit. Okay, I'll just find like a top jacket or something. But yeah, if you need something like that, yeah. Sorry. T-shirts. Oh god. No, no, no. Oh, that's kind of cute, I guess. I'm gonna go with this one then. Whoa, that was loud. I'm sorry. So yeah, I guess I'm like gonna talk awkwardly this whole time. 3, 5, 3. Wait, what? 9, 0, 3, 5, 3, 5. Oh, yeah, that's better now. Invalid trick code. Nah. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to find an actual shirt code. I thought a t-shirt code would work, but no. Yeah. Clothing. Yeah, shirts. We need something that won't cover the top of the shirt. That was really loud. I'm sorry. Everything is so loud. Oh, you know what I could do? I could search up. What color is that? Green hair. We need a shirt. Okay, I'm just gonna find a shirt, so I'll be right back. T-shirts, shirts. 2, 3. 6, 0, 7, 9, 8, 6, 4, 6, 2, 4. 6, 2, 4. Add. Turn around, dude. Apply. Can I move this though? Character. Edit. Long wavy hair, cute hair, long hair, short hair, ponytail, classic hair, drama hair. I guess we'll do the long wavy one. Can we get a black? Wait, what? What happened to the other hair that I had? Oh, did I make that hair? That was cute though. Oh, these are the intensity of the colors. Okay, it's like that and that. This would have to go down, I think. No, the cream. There we go. Where we can just, yeah, let's do black. That was just me breathing. Okay. Oh no, her face. Oh no, her face. Can we change her face, please? Okay, so I'm gonna cut off and I'll make a part 2 video of this. So, yeah, I'm gonna make the part 2 video right away.